How's it going, everybody? So today I'm going to be doing a little flight from a local high school. This is Eudora High School in Kansas. I've flown here a couple times. It's kind of a tricky little spot to fly from. There's a bunch of power lines right around here. So we're gonna see how that works out. But there's a really neat big water tower that I love flying around. I actually got some new GoPros, so I'm going to be trying out the Sena audio adapter for the GoPro Hero 4, the black edition, and I also made a foot mount little camera, so going to be trying a lot of new stuff today, but hopefully it all goes well, so stay tuned. Alright, there's quite a bit of wind today, so this shouldn't be too bad of a launch. We'll see here though. Jeremy helped me set up my wing, get it right into the wind here. Shouldn't need too many steps, actually. There's a big gust right there. Hopefully I don't get blown back too hard, but we'll give it a send here. Ooh, that was hard. Climbing like a rocket. Yeah, there's quite a bit of wind today, so hopefully it doesn't mean it's too bumpy. We're trying out the new GoPro foot mount, so we'll see how that looks. It's actually not too bad. It's pretty smooth up here for as windy as it is on the ground. At least I'm not parked yet, so that's good. I'm climbing quick though, you can tell. I'm not doing much forward speed, but vertical speed I'm doing pretty good. Hopefully this audio isn't too bad. I'm interested to see what it sounds like with this full throttle. Well, actually I'm at half throttle right now, but we'll go full throttle. Yeah, I'm not moving much. So, a little backstory. I have been flying only for about a month and a little bit, like 2 weeks almost, a month and a half. I have about 50 flights, not very many hours, only maybe 8 hours of flying. But, I actually am self-trained. Well, I say self-trained kind of loosely. I had a bunch of guys in Kansas here. They helped me out with actually learning how to fly. They did not do like a full training course, obviously, or anything like that, but they definitely helped out. It's actually interesting, when I have this audio Sena pack on, it actually seems like I can hear myself more than I thought I would be able to, and I don't know if that's because I have not really spoken to myself a lot while flying with the motor power and everything, but I don't know, it just seems like they've given me a little bit of like feedback or something. Okay, I am not moving very much right here. You can kind of tell I'm pretty parked. The winds, I think we saw about, I don't know, I think we saw maybe like 10 to 15 at like 1,000 feet. I think it was a little bit low on the ground, maybe about 8 miles an hour. Anyway, we're going to putt around for a little bit. We're going to see what I can find. I might do a couple circles around this water tower. I might wait till the winds calm down a little bit more for that, just so I don't get blown into it, or I don't get around the side of that and I just can't go forward anymore. I don't have anywhere to go. But I'm going to come down here, go do kind of a low pass. I'm not moving much, so I'm going to be going out for a wide approach. I'm not going to land. We'll go zero throttle. You can just tell I'm just crawling here. hopefully I can work out all the bugs with all this GoPro stuff. I actually have a third GoPro, another GoPro Hero 4 Black. I'm really hoping to be able to use that as a chase cam. I don't have any experience with that or anything, but I'd be really interested in trying one out. Hopefully it would be something I could utilize in making more videos. Anyway, I'm going to shut the GoPro off here for a while. I'm going to putz around and I'll update you if anything else fun happens. I'm actually going to see if I can't do a touch and go here. We have really strong winds on the ground, so it should be pretty easy. We'll see though. I'm going to try to kind of hook it in right where they are. The winds are kind of down this way, so we'll see. Kind of dropping here. We'll see what we can do, but there's also a guy out there I don't want to run over. Nice. Gotta love it. Yeah, there we go. That's what I needed. Oh, sinking fast there. Right on the concrete. Alright. Man, it's pretty strong winds today. Alright. That was an awesome little flight there. I'll probably close it up back at the car, so hopefully we got some good video. Alright guys, well, that was an awesome little flight. I wasn't expecting to actually get in much of a flight this week, actually. The whole weather forecast for this week didn't look too promising, but luckily I did get a flight in. It was actually a lot smoother than I thought it would be, based on the winds on the ground, so that was awesome. Let me know what you thought of the GoPro foot mounts and the Sena headset. I'm very curious to see what it sounds like. Just let me know what you think about that. But anyway, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun making it. I'm going to be doing a lot more with paramotor stuff here soon, now that I do have these GoPro accessories and everything like that. So let me know how it sounded and everything like that. If you don't mind, drop a like, comment, and thanks for the view.